You know, when it comes to convenience, style, comfort, and just accessibility, not to mention options, whether you're hauling toys or just need separate room space and sleeping accommodations, toy haulers are a fantastic option for you to check out. And the Keystone Fuzion brand has taken the best parts of those Keystone Montanas, those Keystone Cougars, that great quality construction, those wonderful layouts, and of course, all the amenities, and packed them into a toy hauler. Welcome to the Keystone Fuzions. What's up? It's Chris Young standing on the party deck of the 424. This 16,000 pound dry weight beauty, roughly 44 feet long, can easily sleep 8 people. And usually you're looking at over 100 grand for these Fuzion toy haulers, especially this 424, because this one has 2 party decks on it. I'm going to show you here pretty soon. But during the Ultimate RV Show, this one's going to start at $92,995 or as low as $18.61 a day. For a 1,500 pound max capacity party deck, 8-foot ramp, 3,500 pound low door, rolling up the dovetail into a 13-foot garage underneath with a Thule Crown scissor jack armed awning, LED floodlights, and my favorite, the patio wall armor. This is great because you're able to do the screen, so if you want to have almost like a screened porch type of feel, or the privacy glass. You got the tinted windows that slide up right there and allow you not only some really good sunshade, but it's solid glass. They close, so the temperature can stay where you want it to stay. Now, speaking of the temperatures, here, summertime can still get pretty warm, but wintertime, you're going to stay warm with a 35,000 BTU furnace, and they have the OmniChill 3/4 ton air conditioning system inside the Keystone Fuzions. What does that mean? That means 3 ACs, one in the master, one in the living room, and one back here in your garage. Speaking of the garage, take a look at my beautiful rubberized floor. Comfortable, slip resistant, easy to clean, but unlike the diamond plated rubberized floors that you see, this would be easier for the pets, the kids. If you want to turn this into an apartment or separate living area, you can, because every Fuzion also comes with its own roll of carpet that you could just turn this into, from a garage, into a living space. Now, on the opposing walls here, we have the fold-out sofas. Love these because when you're stacked and loading in with your toys, they stay up against the walls right here. But in the Fuzions, these are queen-size beds as well that have the fold-out cup holders right there. And we have another bunk bed right on top that is on the chain drive system. Love this because this is what I was talking about at the beginning with the functionality, the different options for sleeping arrangements. Sure, if you're going to haul toys, toy haulers is where you want to go. But if you need more room to sleep people, maybe you want to set this up as a separate apartment, or you want to go tailgate. You want to go check out, the Jazz. You want to go check out, whatever for some of those great sporting events that happen out here. You want to go to the mountains. You want to go just park, sit out, and enjoy nature. Here's your space to be able to do that with your own porch on the back. All Keystone Fuzions also come with the InCommand Generation 3, which you can operate from your cell phone, run out your slides, cut on your AC, cut on your lights, cut on your heaters, whatever you need, all from the comfort and convenience of your cell phone. You're going to get that Keystone quality construction with solid wood, the hideaway hinges all the way around. We got the Jensen Entertainment Centers inside the Fuzions as well, where they've allowed you to get the upgraded entertainment features, not only with the TVs, but also with the sound system. You can control that too from the Jensen app on your cell phone. Large panoramic windows, storage ladder right here for my bunk, and a half bath in the back with a porcelain bowl and foot flush, upgraded residential style features. Look, the Keystone Fuzions, if you're looking for upgraded residential toy hauler, this is your jam. I mean, hopefully you've heard about how great the Montanas and the Cougars are. They're some of the top-selling mid-profile and full-profile fifth wheels over the last almost 20 years because of the quality construction that they put in there. Same thing with the Fuzions. They've brought that quality and construction to the Fuzions. I got the tempered glass door here, which is extra wide, leading me into my living space. But before I go, I want to talk to you a little bit about the adjust-to-track system that's here on the garage floor. Welded to the beam underneath this frame, this is 38 tie points. A lot of times with toy haulers, you only get those D-rings. Well, with the adjust-to-track system, you get multiple options to strap down whatever you want to bring in here. And with a 13-foot garage, we're looking at side by side. I can get a couple of Harleys in here, golf cart, whatever you want to get. You got the room and the space to tie it down safely and securely. Now, walk into the living area. This is their Brindle decor, which is light, beautiful, reminds me of almost like a Rocky Mountain cabin. Love how the feel and the flow works inside this Fuzion 424. I step in onto the Hyperdeck Flooring, which is a laminated polypropylene fiberglass floor. What that means is it's easier to clean, it's lightweight, you get more insulation underneath, and it's also water resistant. So you won't get that water buildup underneath. And since this has a heated and enclosed underbelly with the heating tanks, or with the heating pad on the tanks, that really will come in handy when you're talking about rolling through some cold climates. Right here, I got my corner mounted kitchen area with plenty of prep space, solid surface countertop. These beautiful solid countertops not only really brighten up the decor in here, but gives me plenty of room if I want to put a coffee station over here. Maybe I want to put my microwave right here. I got my little 12-volt plug. I could even stand here, lean up against the wall with my CPAP machine, knock out for a little bit if I want to. Hardwood cabinetry. Look at the space that I have here. And while we're looking up there, there's my loft bunk with the plush mattress up there. Even has my own little AC up there. That's where the kids are going to be fighting to go spend the night. Over here on this side, I got a more prep space since the cooktop is flush mounted, 3-burner with the glass cover, and it's recessed. So if I want to prep, I got space to do that right here. When I'm ready to cook, just fold it up, good to go. Grill style grate, got the little LED accent light there, my Furion oven. So if I want to bake some brownies, some cookies, some shrinky-dinks, I can do that while I'm out here camping in my beautiful Keystone Fuzion 424. Now, as I mentioned, this one starts at $92,995 or as low as $18.61 a day. For a chance for you to get out and see America the safest way possible, this is your vacation home. And this is a 18 cubic foot fridge freezer combo that runs on both gas and electric. Yes, that is plenty of space to keep and store whatever you need to while you're on those long trips. This and the cooktop are inside of its own slide, and you'll see that beautiful wood inlay that we have here, really adding to that kind of rustic decor, light on dark. You can see the wood grain. You can feel the quality in the construction. And when you want to sit back and kind of chill, check out my bar stools that extend back, heavy duty. Look, I'm over 200 pounds. I'm not going to tell you how much because we're still not that far removed from the holidays. But let's just put it this way. I'm north of 210, 220, okay? Just don't tell my wife. I've been lying to her and tell her I'm only 208. These things are heavy duty. You can tell by the construction. Look at the access points that we have here, how reinforced that is, the stainless steel that's there. I mean, these give you so much more room, not only to move around, but you're maximizing the space that's inside. Here are my seats for my little bar table or for my hangout spot. I can easily see the TV. I can easily entertain and hang out and have as much fun as I want. I got my Thomas Paine recliners over here. That's also the couch with the fold downs, heated and massaged. Check out what's behind my entertainment center. A little hideaway pantry. Don't you love it? And here's the thing, during the Ultimate RV Show National Tour, we will not have a chance to go through all the features inside these Fuzion fifth wheels, but we have people standing by. So if you have questions or comments, just drop us a comment down below, fresh to 46642, or excuse me, drop a comment down below, fresh, or text fresh to 46642. Fireplace right here with multiple flame settings, barn-style door heading into my pass-through bathroom with walk-around, or excuse me, with the single surround shower and the bench seat, porcelain bowl with the foot flush, king size bed in the master. Love it. I got me some storage underneath. And here in my closet, I got you, Kev. Oh, sorry there. Let me tell you, it's tough trying to move around with these big old rigs like our guys have to use. But here in the master bedroom, the king size bed nestled in its own slide. Look at the beautiful decor that I have on my wardrobe. Plus washer and dryer prep right there. That door slides in to close. Got more storage space over there. So if you're interested in this, you say, Chris, that Keystone Fuzion, beautiful unit, starting at, during the Ultimate RV Show, starting at $92,995 or as low as $18.61 a day. Can easily sleep 8, 16,000 pounds dry, 44 feet long. I love it. I want it. How do I get it? Drop me a comment down below, RV, or text RV to 46642. Now, Keystone Fuzions have the True Fit slides. We got the heated and enclosed underbelly, the 6-point automatic leveling system, a Onan 5,500 watt generator in the front, automotive coated fiberglass end cap that's absolutely beautiful, but we will not be able to have all the time during the Ultimate RV Show to go through a lot of those features with you. That's why our specialists are standing by to help you right now. But at the end of the day, when you're talking about a back deck and a side party deck, hang on, because I'm gonna do this with a flourish. You ready? I'm king of the world, ma! King of the world! Or better yet, you are king of the campsite and king of the, absolutely, you are the king, this one, or the queen, of the tailgate. I got entertainment TV out here. I got marine grade Sony speakers because you have upgraded Sony entertainment system inside this thing. And you probably saw in the back where we had those solid Moride steps just kind of laying on the ground. You have gates on both the front and the back that you can access this beautiful Fuzion 424 from. Just like my buddy Jay says, it's almost like when you're coming home, you get to welcome folks on your front porch with the Keystone Fuzion 424. You make so many good friends when you go to the RV campgrounds, you live the RV lifestyle. It really is the safest way to see a country. And right now, the prices that we have for the Ultimate RV Show, it's one of the most affordable ways. This one is the 424 Keystone Fuzion. Starts at $92,995 or as low as $18.61 a day. Drop me a comment down below, RV, or text RV to 46642. We got more Fuzions coming up as the Ultimate RV Show National Tour continues. And by the way, if you say, Chris, you got 80,000 factory fresh RVs coming, how do I get in on one of those? Just drop me a comment down below, fresh, or text fresh to 46642.